Good morning, friends. Today we are talking about artificial intelligence and how it can help grow your YouTube channel.
Hi everyone, my name is Delina Green and I am here to help you save time and grow your business in an emotionally sustainable way. I'm an entrepreneur, podcast host, mom of three, and business coach. I started my business with 19 years old with $0 in the bank, and it is my family's main source of income today. I know what it takes to build a successful business from the ground up and, more importantly, how to do it without burning yourself out. You are not going to want to miss this content, so make sure to tap that subscribe and that little like button so that YouTube and you will tell business owners around the world about my channel. Now, let's get started.
You've probably been hearing a lot about this recently, but I just want to kind of dive in and give you some good little tips and tools to help you grow your business to be sustainable and time efficient. AI is set to become a major force in the world of entrepreneurship, and if you are not using it, you need to, because there's so many benefits. So let's explore how it can help us take our business to the next level. For starter, AI-driven material uses analytics to measure success on different platforms. It's going to use the analytics that are working in the background, the algorithm that is working in the background of YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and it's actually taking those and implementing them and weaving them through whatever content you're asking it to create, so that it is optimized for that particular social media platform. YouTube runs on an algorithm just like everybody else, and AI programs can help you strengthen your viewership by giving you this kind of boost in the end. Jasper is the first one that really stood out to me, and I wanted to showcase a little bit of what Jasper is. And now, AI has a lot of really powerful things. Jasper is probably the most expensive that I've come across, but it also has just such great functions. It's really user friendly, and I mean, look at all the way that they have everything organized. So you can even just go, video topic ideas, video titles. Let's start with video titles. So let's do this. How to use AI to your YouTube channel. Get my mic out of the way. Okay, so keyword to rank for. Let's do artificial intelligence because it is rising. I like to do witty. That's probably why it's already in there. I do informative, and then, keep it English for the input language. These are all the things that can help you set how to make it unique to you and not just robotic by adding witty, informative, and other things like creative. I like to add creative. So let's take a look. Now,
And of course, all of this is referring to the output amount that you are asking Jasper to make you.
all right, so how AI is changing the world of YouTube and what you need to know. That's a really good one. I would like that one. How AI can help your YouTube channel grow. The future of AI and YouTube, what you need to know. How to use AI to boost your YouTube channel. Now, all of these are excellent. Obviously there's some things that are a little outdated. How to use AI to help your YouTube channel grow, in parentheses 2020. It's 3 years ago. What is AI and how can it help your YouTube channel? So let's see, whatever it was that made you click on this video, it was likely from one of these. Okay, so how AI is changing the YouTube landscape. Now, the nice thing is these outputs will be saved into your history. I haven't done video titles yet. This is my first run at that. I like to save this. It will be there, in the history, but I'm just that kind of person that has 50 tabs open. Don't you love it? Does that drive me crazy? Okay, one of my favorite ones to use is actually, I use Paragraph Generator. Blog, one-shot blog post is phenomenal. My favorite that I've been using a lot more recently is Commands. And Commands is basically just anything, and this is the same way of how people have been using Chat GPT. To me, it's the same as this function right here. Now, I took a look at Chat GPT, and I was impressed, but to me, it did not have everything as crystal clear, and it wasn't as user-friendly as Jasper. And this is not sponsored by Jasper, by the way. I just happen to really like it, and I've been obsessed. Okay, so type your command. It gives an example of write a creative story about Toby flying to the moon in a Matthew McConaughey's tone voice. Let's do something with the theme of artificial intelligence. Write a YouTube script. Channel grow. Let's do in the tone of voice of Oprah This is going to be good. Do you have any background information? So this is where, if I'm talking about my YouTube channel and how I want it to sort of pull that in there, I would want to say YouTube channel sharing this is all about business and sustainability. Focus on efficiency.
So here I am with the intro that Jasper gave me, and I took it and just tweaked it a little bit to add my own personality and my own touch. Now, sometimes it's really easy to ramble, so I really love using Jasper's ability to do this. It takes out the guesswork of trying to come up with a great draft for your script, and it gives you the chance to just take that draft already written by Jasper with your inputs and create something that's even better, adding your own voice and personality and branding. If you were watching that intro and it actually made you stick around, know that the beginning draft where that intro started was on an artificial intelligence program.
Now, I'm not telling you to go ahead and just type this in and get your script from an AI program and then just go on YouTube and say word for word verbatim that exact script. No, what I'm saying is use it as a tool or a draft so that you can take away the time that it takes to really sit there at your desk and just think. This takes away that time. You have more time on your hands and you're able to spend it actually editing it, making it a little bit better, and you have time back in your lab. So it's actually really helpful. With this data, we can also use it to determine who our best clients or customers or subscribers are going to be. Who are the people that are most likely going to want to have your content in their phone. They're going to want to come back and watch your YouTube channel. They're going to want to come back and watch what you have today on your vlog or your podcast. So you can strategically target your customers, your ideal clients, by using these very programs. It takes these mundane tasks like scheduling and descriptions or captions for videos, and it takes those, you give it ideas of what you want to do, just spew it in, and then it comes out perfect and ready for you to just take that caption, maybe tweak it a little bit more and add it. And it's already optimized for the social media that you're planning on adding it to. Pretty cool, right? Machines that allow for personalization allows us to make every viewer seen. As an example, I recently discovered Talk, T-A-W-K, and it is a plugin that you can put on your website for absolutely free. And when a viewer comes onto your website, get a notification that someone is viewing your website from Los Angeles, California. And you can chat with that user like that. And it's all free, and it's a form of artificial intelligence. The other key to that is you can actually program it to say pre-program message to greet those that come into your website, to give them more of that brick and mortar experience that many people miss out on. You're tailoring content just for your customer. It gives us the ability to narrow down our niche even more, but also reach your specific niche, reach your client, reach your ideal customer that you have, that gold standard of the person that you want to be talking to, that you want your message to get to. All right, so here's my website. You're going to see in a minute the Talk pop up here. There it is. So this is the little emblem, and this is the free one, so it is not completely white label. You'll see ad-free live chat. So there are options to upgrade, and you can get more of a white label experience. So that just means that it wipes away any sort of logo so that you just see yours. So as I said before, there's just so many different ways that you can use these guys, and you want to be using them, because if you don't, there are going to be some ways that you will fall behind. And mostly when it comes to the turnaround time for projects or getting your viewers to actually see your product, those kind of things that, it takes a learning curve, you can now just kind of bypass that learning curve and use one of the artificial intelligence programs that are available. Like I said, my favorite is Jasper. You can check out AI Writer, which is another awesome one. And of course, the big one right now is Chat GPT. Take a look at them and just test out their features. I have some links below.
Hey, if you liked that content, please subscribe so that you can see more every week. Leave a comment below telling me what your favorite tip about this video was, or your favorite AI program that you like to use for your business. See you next time.